Oh, is that much better? Hi, y'all. Welcome to Mandy's house. I'm Mandy, and today I'll be showing you how to sprout a seed.
Taking a trip to Mandy's house. Making stuff is what we're all about. She will show you how to make stuff too. Make all of your dreams come true. It's Mandy, how dandy. It's Mandy's house.
How exciting, right? Okay, guys, so let's get started. You're going to need some supplies for this. They're like commonly household found items. Wait, okay. They're commonly found household items. So first you need 2 cups. 2 cups. You need 2 cups. So 2 cups. Can I have 2 cups here? Ah, very nice. And then you'll need 2 paper plates. Yeah, just like that. And 2 paper towels. I use napkins because, I have those laying around. And, oh, hello napkins. And you're going to need some soil and some water. I use a spray bottle, but you can just use regular water as well. Okay, now that we have all of our stuff, we can get started. Oh, most importantly, you're going to need a seed.
This is the seed we'll be planting today. Some people call it a weed, but I think it's going to grow up to be a big, beautiful plant.
Okay, now that we have all our stuff, we can get started.
Welcome to my workshop. First, we want to sprout the seed until its root is about 1 centimeter long. Get your paper plate and a napkin and spray it down with water. It needs to be really wet. Next, put your seed in the middle. There we go. Put the second napkin on top and spray it until you can see the seed through the napkin. Like this. Now, put your other paper plate on top and you can label your seed to know how many days it would take to sprout. Mandy. April 20th, 2020. It should take a day or 3 to start seeing the root. Make sure you keep it moist. I check mine every 12 hours and spray it when it's a little dry. Now, I'm going to prepare my cup. We want to make holes in the bottom for water drainage. I used a power drill, which was a little crazy, but you can make holes any way you like. I made 5 on the side and 1 on the bottom. There.
Hi, it's now day 3 and my little seed has sprouted. When I checked on it this morning, it was really short, but now it's almost a centimeter long and ready to plant.
Check out my seed. The root you see is called a taproot or a radicle. It provides the plant with nutrients to grow its first leaves. Every root has its own personality. Sometimes they're curly and sometimes they're straight. Now we're ready to plant the seed. I added soil to the cup we made earlier. I like to use tweezers because the seed can be quite delicate at this stage. Make a small hole in your soil and place your seed root down just under the surface. It's important that the root is facing down. I added a little extra soil to cover the top. I gave it a little water to keep it moist and placed my other cup on top. After 2 to 3 days, you'll see your seeds start to emerge from the soil. Hey y'all, welcome to my windowsill. Today we're going to be checking on my plant. I kept an extra cup on it just to keep it moist like a terrarium. Let's check it out. Ta-da! Isn't she beautiful? I hope it's a girl. The 2 round leaves are called cotyledons. They gather nutrients to make the real leaves. They'll fall off when the plant can support itself. You can keep her in this cup until she grows out of it. But be careful not to water her too much because she might drown. At this stage, she doesn't need a lot of water until she gets bigger.
And that was how you sprout a seed. Thanks for joining me on this episode of Mandy's House. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section below. Sending you all my love. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay cool.